Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mevesh. I hope everyone is doing great. So in this video we are going to learn about few tips to achieve success at work. So let's begin. So number 1 would be that you understand your employer's expectation. By this I mean make sure that you understand your company's culture. Your culture fit with the organization and your working relationship with your supervisor or manager are very important. Familiarize yourself with the values of the organization you're working for and consider how you can demonstrate those values in the work that you do. So, the number 2 would be a team player. So, those who are willing to set aside their personal goals for the overall goals of the department or company are valued by the organizations. You're not only person who can solve problems for a particular task or project. Have the self-awareness to get the team involved when needed. Teamwork is one of the most valued skill an employee can possess and team players get noticed. Number 3 would be considerate. If you're sharing a work environment, respect the space by being aware of your volume, whether you're on a call or just talking to a coworker. Take advantage of face-to-face interactions as much as possible to nurture stronger working relationship. Number 4 would be always on time. Most employers are prepared to be flexible and each environment and has its own values on timekeeping. Find out what they are and stick to them. Meet deadlines. Keep your word. Consistently meet deadlines, recognizing the ripple effect that missed targets may have. Talk to your boss far ahead of a deadline if you believe that you won't be able to complete an assigned task on time, and always present at least one potential solution, demonstrating your problem solving skills. Number 5, and the most important, would be pay attention to career advice. Take note of how successful most senior employees spend their time and focus their expertise. When they show you a new skill or process, utilize active listening to understand what they're saying, respond, and reflect on what's being said and retain the information for later. But don't just focus on their work, you can also pay attention to body language and non-verbal cues when more senior employees interact with clients, management and your team members to see how successful people present themselves. Learning from experts is a key skill that sets you up for career success. So these were the 5 points which are important for you to excel in your career, and I hope you like this video. And yeah, thank you. Have a lovely day ahead.